Hello, my name is Robert Baranowski, and today I'm going to be talking about creating a Department of Defense grant using the DSIP website. The DSIP website is located at DoD the time that is required to complete the forms usually is about 4 to 5 hours if you've never done it before. The forms are pretty straightforward and pretty easy to answer. Well, the questions are relatively easy, but there are a fair number of them, and you will have to have your budget at your fingertips. In order to create a Department of Defense grant, you will need to have previously registered with the DSIP, login.gov, and SAM.gov. Once you are come to the DSIP website at the DSIP website, you will see this button in the upper right-hand corner that says Login and Register, and you will click on that, and it will use your login.gov information to log you into DSIP. Once you are logged in, you will see that the Login Register button is changed to your initials or your company's initials, perhaps, and you will be able to select a topic for the grant from these filters down below. When you click on Home, it will bring you to this page. And scrolling down, you will see that there is an opportunity to start a new proposal. By clicking on one of the Start New Proposal buttons over here on the right, this is to create a new Phase 1 or Directed Phase 2 proposal. There are also opportunities to create Phase 2 proposals if you have already completed the Phase 1, but that is beyond the scope of this topic today. So, clicking on Start New Proposal, you will be brought to a screen that looks like this. You will already have selected the BAA that is appropriate by choosing the right Start New Proposal button. You will choose either an SBIR or STTR, as the case may be, and phase being Phase 1 or Phase 2. Down below, you'll choose the component, typically Army, Navy, Air Force, that sort of thing, and the topic. And then you will choose these from drop-down list boxes, and then you will add a descriptive title for your topic to the start page. Now you are ready to begin entering data. Once you have done all of that, you will be brought to a screen that looks like this, and you will see that the submission closes in a number of days, hours, minutes, and seconds, as is relayed to you in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This area contains the first 3 forms that you need to complete in order to enter your grant to this website. As you can see, the topic appears in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. This topic is a placeholder for the entire application. And to enter the application properly, you just need to click on the Edit button in the lower right-hand portion of the screen. That will bring up this screen, and this screen contains your main navigation pane, which is up top. You can click on any of these items and be taken to them immediately. They will also show you the percentage that has been completed in each area as you go along. Once you are in a form, like the cover sheet, here we are, you will see that there is a second navigation pane on the left-hand side that not only provides information about the main forms, but also the subforms that are involved in each of the main forms. So here you can see the cover sheet contains a proposal certification and contact information page. When you are uploading full files to DSIP, you have the option of either choosing select files to upload and then using a standard search folder from your computer, or you can bring up a search folder on your computer, drag and drop a file from the search folder onto the box. Either way will work. If by chance you upload two versions of the same file to the box, it will only send the most recent version of the document with your application to the Department of Defense. So if you have to revise your technical volume, for example, and you make some changes, you can just upload a new version of it and it will just send the most recent version to the Department of Defense when you click submit. And you must click submit in order to finalize a particular section. As you can see, we click submit. The technical volume is now 100% complete. If we had just clicked save and continue, it would be 99% complete and not 100% complete. So it's very important to click the submit button. Occasionally, you will get these error warning boxes where it says that if you make changes in one section of the document, it could have the potential to change other portions of the form. I have never observed this to happen, but they do give you warnings because it is possible, I suppose. So be cautious when you are clicking the submit button and make sure that you're all good to go on that particular section before you click submit. As I mentioned before, the main page contains the first three forms that you will need to complete: the firm certification, the audit information, and the company commercialization report. Once you have obtained a near perfect score across the board, you will see that when you're clicking submit in each section, you will get 100% complete across the board. As you can see here, everything is 100% complete except for the certification window. And you can see that on the main screen, it will say ready to certify when everything else is complete. All you have to do is then go into the certify area, read through the information, sign it, and click the submit button. Additional videos in this series will include all of the following topics: obtaining an EIN from the IRS, registering at SAM.gov, grants.gov, the ERA Commons, and research.gov, and DSIP, and uploading documents to grants.gov and uploading documents to research.gov. Additional information can be obtained from wisconsinctc.org under their learning opportunities. They have dozens, if not hundreds, of videos about SBIRs, STTRs, other granting mechanisms, granting agencies, helpful tips, all kinds of other topics. It's just a wealth of information, and I advise you to go there and check it out. Once again, my name is Robert Baranowski. It has been my pleasure to present this information for you today, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you very much.